Hey everyone, are you getting the ReagentC is not recognized as an internal or external command error in Windows 10 or Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you the fastest and most effective ways to fix the ReagentC error and get Windows recovery environment working again. This issue usually happens when running ReagentC commands inside Windows recovery environment or Windows pre-installation environment because ReagentC.exe is not included there by default. However, if you get this error in normal Windows while using the command correctly, the ReagentC file may be missing or corrupted. First, let's see how to fix this issue in the Windows recovery environment. The easiest fix is to switch command prompt to the System32 folder of your installed Windows. Run BCDedit to show Windows partition identifier. Find the drive letter of your Windows partition to use it in the shown command. Now execute ReagentC. As you can see, the command works correctly now. However, the ReagentC enable command will fail in WinRE or WinPE unless you specify the Windows OS GUID as follows. Run this command. Copy the identifier of Windows partition and paste it after the shown command. If the ReagentC is not recognized error appears in normal Windows, first check for spelling mistakes in the command. Then verify that ReagentC.exe exists by running this command. If the file is missing, repair Windows using SFC and DISM, install Windows updates, or perform an in-place repair upgrade using the official Windows ISO. You can also manually extract ReagentC.exe from the ISO file of Windows using 7-zip as follow. Download and install the 7-zip tool. Set the CMD path to the 7-zip folder using this command. Extract the ReagentC file from mounted ISO image to System32 folder using this prompt. After that, try ReagentC again. If you get Reagent.exe the entry point not found error, then run SFC command again to fix that. As you can see, the ReagentC works correctly now. If this tutorial helped you fix the ReagentC error in Windows 10 or Windows 11, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.